Guide to Buying an Online Business. BizBroker24, e-business broker and mergers and acquisitions. We're the world's #1 mergers and acquisitions company for buying and selling online businesses. Specialists assisting our clients in buying, selling, merging, or acquiring internet businesses. About BizBroker24. We sell more internet businesses than anyone in the world. Founded in 2009, BizBroker24 has accelerated to become the largest e-business merger and acquisition company in the world, listing over 100 million in businesses for sale with partners in the United States of America, Europe, Asia, Australia, and the Middle East. At BizBroker24, we specialize in the listing and sales of websites and internet businesses. We focus on internet businesses with transaction valuations between $150,000 plus and $20 million US. If you are considering a sale of your business and would like a free, no-obligation valuation of your business, phone us on 1-786-350-1560 or simply send us an email at info@bizbroker24.com to complete a free business valuation form, and we will contact you in confidence. Guide into Buying an Online Business. Before you purchase a business, you must identify the business sector you would wish to get into. This should be based on your expertise, experience, or passion, but in some cases, the occurrence of an unexpected opportunity could also push you into purchasing a business. You must identify plausible sources of funds for purchasing the business as well as operating the first few months before the business starts realizing profits. This way, even if the business does not generate sufficient income in the first few days of operation, you will have the resources to cater for operations. Identifying the resources needed to run the business beforehand ensures that business operations are not interrupted once the business is bought. Such interruptions could lead to the loss of clients. Due diligence for an online business. Due diligence is an important phase in the acquisition of the online business. Here you get to learn how the business has been operating, what they have achieved so far, the people who own the business, the financial well-being of the business, what the future holds, and the operational efficiency the business has attained. In addition to the universal business parameters, online businesses have unique parameters that you must examine as you carry out your due diligence. These include the level of conversion of all traffic attained, the cost of each customer acquisition, the marketing and advertising strategies that have been put in place, the delivery systems in place, and the efficiency of the current business model. Funding options for online businesses. You can finance an online business purchase from personal funds. However, there are other options that you could explore. You could get a loan from a financial institution to finance the acquisition. Alternatively, you could approach family and friends to lend you the money to complete the transaction. If borrowing the money is not ideal for you, you could get into a partnership where all partners contribute the funds required for the acquisition. Understanding these parameters helps you in gauging whether the business fits into your grand picture and if it does what you may need to change once you purchase it. Transferring an online business. This should be done with the assistance of lawyers in order to ensure the correct procedure is followed. As the business ownership is transferred, ensure that any other contracts that need to be transferred to you have been analyzed by your legal counsel and given the green light to prevent multiple contracts falling off. These may include non-compete contracts, deals with suppliers, and any other transferable contract that the management has entered into. Due diligence is also important since it helps you in gauging the financial value of the business as well as the value addition it has in the areas of operation. Our services. Global leader in M&A of internet businesses. Looking to sell your online business? We sell your website at the highest value. We're the world's #1 mergers and acquisitions company for buying and selling online businesses. Specialists assisting our clients in buying, selling, merging, or acquiring internet businesses. The average asking price for a business listed with BizBroker24 is $950,000. The number of qualified buyers worldwide is 15,000 plus, and we have a 95% successful rate. Contact us now for a free valuation. Our services. Our focus. We focus on internet businesses with transaction valuations between $150,000 and $20 million US. No upfront fees or hidden charges. To put it simply, we will never charge you an upfront fee, an advance fee, a marketing fee, a commitment fee, a valuation fee, or a documentation fee. We're the global leader. Best Service Award 2019, 2018, 2015, and 2014, according to the International Digital Business Association. Maximizing your business sale price. We are passionate about delivering the maximum value for you, and we have the skills and resources to maximize the sale of your business. We have 15,000 qualified buyers, a huge database of business owners, venture capital firms, investors, entrepreneurs, CEO, executive, high net worth individual, and more. We have 20 plus years of experience. We have some 20 plus years experience in the successful completion of the sale of businesses. Contact us now for a free business valuation. BizBroker24.